You want to sell a successful product on Amazon that already has demand on Amazon UAE and or KSA without having to spend months of guesswork. Well, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to transform data into dirhams. And we're going to be using Amazon's own tools. Let's get to work. Amazon UAE had around 27 million visitors in the month of May 2025, which isn't exceptionally an important month. I believe it's just an ordinary month. However, with this massive traffic, sellers that know what customers are buying, those are the sellers that succeed. But here's the trap. There's a lot of beginners that launch products based on their own intuition, based on what they like, or even based on trends that they find on platforms like TikTok. And unfortunately, most of these sellers end up failing. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can utilize Amazon's own data to make data-informed decisions in 4 different ways. But before I get started, hi, my name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society. In Sellers Society, we are a certified Amazon service provider, and we've been working with sellers on Amazon in the Middle East since the very beginning of Amazon launching in the Middle East since 2019. If you're looking for help and support with finding the right products to sell on Amazon, or if you are already a seller on Amazon and you're experiencing issues, for example, you're advertising, you're spending money, but you're not generating any sales, we can help and support you. Book a free consultation call with myself or the team, and we will see if we are able to support you through our programs. You'll find all the details on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org, or in the link in the description box of this video. Step number 1, use Amazon's marketplace product guidance, recently launched in the UAE and Saudi Arabia in 2025. Yes, Amazon recently rolled out this feature that you can find in your Amazon Seller Central, known as the Amazon Marketplace Product Guidance. What is this? This provides you insights like sales estimates, demand, performance metrics, all based on Amazon's own internal data. So you can utilize it in multiple ways. Let's say, for example, you are already selling a skincare product and you want to see if there is demand in other subcategories related to the same overall niche. Or you're looking to launch a brand new product on Amazon, you can also verify based on other products that are currently being sold, whether or not there is demand for it. It's a great way to get data from Amazon internally, rather than launching something without having any information. Stay with me, because at the end of the video, I'll show you exactly where it is and how you can use it. And by the way, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. We've got a series of fantastic videos prepared and planned till the end of the year that you certainly don't want to miss. Leave a like on this video because it helps and support us, and leave me your comments in the comments section below. Let me know if you know any of the steps that I'm talking about in today's video. Step number 2, quick view product tactics. Now, in order to find the information that I'm talking about, you need to utilize a tool. We always talk about Helium 10 being a fantastic tool for sellers in the UAE and Saudi Arabia. If you want to learn a little bit more about Helium 10 and get a 20% off your very first 6 months of Helium 10, which is a value of about, you will be saving around $120. We have a special discount code also in the description box of this video. However, why is this insight very important? Because rather than having to find all of this information manually, some of which you can't find manually, you can easily see it in an instant. So I'm on Amazon.ae now. I typed in my favorite keyword for explanation, water bottle. And just like any customer, I'm able to see some information. Amazon recently is adding, for example, how many units the product is selling, but that's not for all products. I can see reviews, price. If I log into the page itself, I can see BSR, but obviously there's a lot of manual work necessary for me to, find all of this information. Now, I have Helium 10 downloaded in my Chrome extension. I'm gonna actually open it right now, and then I'm gonna show you how the page transforms. And there you go, same page, but as you can see, more information is showing up for each and every product. I can see directly the ASIN. If I'm going to utilize it for anything, I can copy it, I can bookmark it. I can see if the seller is doing ads, what type of ads they're doing, so sponsored product, brand ads as well for this brand Biola. What is the BSR of the main category? What is the BSR of the subcategory? How many sellers, how many variations, and what type of fulfillment they're doing, even though here it's saying not available. I can also click here and get an estimate of the past 30 days of unit sales. So this product has sold approximately 189 units, and as you can see, Amazon says 100 plus bought in the past month, so it is quite correct. And what was the revenue based on the selling price? I can also click here and look and drill down and look at further information like sales for the past 30 days, 90 days, and I can look at more information. And all of that, I can look at it directly right here. Of course, Helium 10 has a whole suite of tools where I can drill down even more, but I can quickly assess exactly what's going on. Helium 10 right now operates for UAE and KSA, and hopefully in the future for Amazon Egypt. Step number 3, validate the margins. Maybe not really related to product research, but of course, margins and making money is part of succeeding on Amazon as well. A lot of sellers just don't focus on the numbers because numbers are sometimes a little bit complicated, specifically if you're a creative type of person or you're someone that focuses on marketing and visuals. Maybe numbers don't make sense for you, but in this business, every single detail is important. So your main costs of selling a product on Amazon are Amazon's own fees, the referral fee, the FBA fee, specifically if you want to utilize FBA, which is highly recommended, as well as the landed cost of each unit. So as a rough example, if you're selling a product at 100 dirhams, it costs you 40 dirhams, and the Amazon fees combined are 30 dirhams, then technically you're making 30 dirhams. You know your margins. Of course, on top of that, you need to advertise, but advertising is not a fixed cost. So if that makes sense for you, then it could be a product that you can launch. But make sure you don't launch anything before you look at your numbers. Step number 4, spot underserved niches. Now, by niche, I don't mean like a very, very, very small part of the market, because UAE, Saudi Arabia are already not very huge markets. So if you really specify a certain very small community, then you don't have enough customers and you're really not making that much money. By underserved niche, what we mean is look at a very big product category and then look at a segment that might be equally as large and that can help you have a certain twist on the products. Okay, let me make it easy. So as an example, if you're selling household items, cleaning products, eco-friendly is a very important niche right now. Halal certified beauty products also have a huge demand right now, like halal certified nail polish as an example. Modest fashion certainly is a big, modest modern fashion, I would say, as well as general pet accessories. All of those are not extreme small niches, but all of those right now, according to the data, show that have a lot of demand in both of those markets. Okay, we're not done. Let's look at what I showed you in step number 1. So you click on the 3-line menu right here, you go into growth and you click on marketplace product guidance, which will lead you into this page. I'm going to show you one way of how you can utilize it, and then I'll let you do a deep dive. So as an example, I'm going to say my source store is United States, but I do want to sell a product in the UAE. I'm going to provide an ASIN for a product that is currently, let me get the ASIN, that the ASIN is currently in Amazon.com, but I want to try to see if I can sell it in the UAE in terms of demand. So I'm selecting rosemary hair oil. You guys know how much of a product, how much demand this is. And I selected the brand Miel. I don't want to sell this brand, I'm just selecting this brand. And as you can see here, Amazon is telling me there's actually a very high demand for this product. It's providing me the numbers in USD because I said my source store is United States, because that's where I wanted to get the ASIN from. It shows that there's a very high demand for this product and it's selling about 3,000 to 11,000 units per month, being fulfilled by FBM and FBA, giving me around different competitors for sure, and showing me some information. Now it's giving me the information about this particular product that is already selling on Amazon in the UAE, and that's why I actually selected this product purposefully, because I know this product is selling on Amazon.ae, and you can see that you're able to find this information about this particular product. I'm not promoting that you resell it in any way, but this is valuable data. Now you can know that, and this is just one data because there's a lot of other information in this page, but this is just one way to validate and understand whether or not the product has demand. And this is coming from Amazon Seller Central. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.